Ladies and gentlemen, we are delighted to announce that our esteemed chief guests and distinguished dignitaries have arrived. Please join me in extending a warm and hearty welcome to them as they grace this special occasion with their presence. Everyone give a resounding round of applause as we welcome our chief guests and dignitaries to the Sports Day 2024 of Devin National School. A big round of applause, everyone. We have our chief guests and dignitaries here. We are honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Bharti BL, Vice President, Karnataka Athletic Association, and an international athlete, along with the distinguished dignitaries of the Kaveri Social and Education Trust family. Shri B.M. Devrajappa Sir, President of Kaveri Social and Education Trust, Srimati N.C. Indira, Secretary of Kaveri Social and Education Trust, Ms. Shweta Vaishak, Administrator, Academic Director, Mr. Keshav N. Bhatt, escorted by our respected Principal, Ms. Preeti Rajesh. We welcome our Chief Guest and our distinguished dignitaries. Let's mark the arrival with vibrant beats and a loud round of applause.
We request everyone to rise for the flag hoisting ceremony. We now invite our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Bharti BL, along with our Honour President, Shri B.M. Devrajappa Sir, to hoist a school flag. We request everyone to applaud as the school flag when it is hoisted. We request everyone to applaud as the school flag is being hoisted. Our school flag embodies the principles of unity, integrity, and excellence that guide our institution. Requesting the dignitaries, Srimati Indra Ma'am, Ms. Shweta Ma'am, Principal Ms. Preeti Rajesh Ma'am, and Director Sir to kindly be seated on the dais and enjoy the program. To kickstart the grand display of discipline and coordination, the school captains Ms. Yashaswini Gauti and Master Pranav Bharadwaj will now proceed toward the chief guest and distinguished dignitaries to formally seek permission to commence the march past. This ceremonial gesture signifies respect and marks the beginning of this meticulously planned event. Every step, a promise kept. Every heartbeat, a bond strengthened. Witness greatness as one becomes many in perfect harmony. March past, a symphony in motion where teamwork and pride find devotion. The drum beat rolls, the band takes flight. A sharp command cuts through the light. We are thrilled to present our 4 houses where the values shine and spirit remains. The house of wisdom, peace, humanity, honesty. As each house march past, we request dignitaries to accept this salute, a symbol of respect, discipline, and unity from our students. We request the parents to kindly be seated. Leading the parade with pride, our school captains, Ms. Yashaswini Gotti and Master Pranav Bharadwaj from grade 10, carrying the revered school flag. Joining them are vice captains, Ms. Shriya Rajiv and Master Chetan SB from grade 9. Representing the sportsmanship, Captains Master Gaurav Parekh of grade 10 and Ms. Rupashri Adhikara of grade 9. Along with them we have Ms. Ganasiri, the CCA captain, and Ms. Tasmai YS. The house march past begins with the House of Wisdom, adorned in maroon. Captain Ms. Tanushri of Standard 10 leads with grace, while Vice Captain Master Trishan carries the flag, showcasing energy. Next is the House of Peace, proudly dressed in blue, symbolizing serenity and harmony, led by Captain Ms. Naina M. Prakash of Standard 10 and Vice Captain Master Daksh Amar of Standard 9 carrying the flag. Blue represents calm, confidence, and cadets marching in perfect unison set the tone. Next is the House of Humanity follows, vibrant in green, representing renewal and vitality. Captain Master Pranav Mahesh of Standard 10 and Vice Captain Ms. Bhumi Rao of Standard 9, the team in sing their march radiating joy and unity. The House of Honesty steps in next, dressed in vibrant orange, the color of optimism and idealism. Captain Master Yojit of Standard 10 and Vice Captain Ms. Kushi C of Standard 9 lead with discipline and focus, their march reflecting strength and excellence. Finally, the prestigious school band takes the stage, stepping in perfect rhythm. Their dynamic beats and synchronized performance energize the atmosphere, bringing the march past to a grand and unforgettable day.
ನೂರೆಂಟು ಆಸೆಗಳ ಹೊಂಕನಸುಗಳನ್ನ ಹೊತ್ತು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕುತ್ತಿರುವ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಇದೀಗ ಆಕರ್ಷಕವಾದ ಪಥಸಂಚಲನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶಾಂತಿ, ಮಾನವೀಯತೆ, ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತಿಕೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಧ್ವಜವನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದು ಪಥಸಂಚಲನದ ಸೊಬಗನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಇಮ್ಮಡಿಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಾರೆ.
With their synchronized steps and energetic beats have left us all mesmerized and giving us an unforgettable experience.
Let's give our band a round of applause and cheers as they finish this wonderful march past.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಉತ್ಸುಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಕ್ರಮಬದ್ಧವಾದ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕುತ್ತಾ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಇಡೀ ಈ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಕೂಟದ ಸೊಬಗನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಮಗದಷ್ಟು ಇಮ್ಮಡಿಗೊಳಿಸಿರುವ ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ.
What better way to commence this grand occasion than with the lighting of the Olympic torch, a symbol of our unwavering spirit and determination to excel. We request our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Bharti BL, accompanied by our distinguished dignitaries, to light the Olympic torch. A big round of applause and thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Olympic torch is lit. It will now be received with pride by sports captain Master Gaurav Parikh of grade 10, along with Miss Siri Preetham of grade 7 and Miss Sagnika R of grade 4, national level swimming champions. Give them a cheer, everyone. Our torchbearers who have proudly represented our school at the national level will carry this torch and pass on the spirit of excellence. Leading the procession, our sports captain and our national level swimming champions. The torch is being passed on to Pranav Madan of grade 9, a national level football champion, along with Sanvita R of grade 4, national level swimmer, and Anvita R of grade 5, yet another national level swimming star. Next, in line, continuing the legacy of champions, is Ms. Rupa Shri Adhikara, our sports vice captain. Joining along is Ms. Sagarika R of grade 8, a national level football champion, with Chushan Tejas of grade 6, national level swimming champion. Carrying the Olympic flame now to its destination is our next young sports achiever, Master Bhuvan P of grade 9, who has showcased his talent in football at the national level. Joining him is Miss Imaya H of grade 6, an exemplary swimmer at the national level. Joining her is Miss Adya Kamath of grade 4, yet another national level swimming star. Let us give them a huge round of applause as they fulfill this proud moment of leading the torch to its final destination. Big cheers for them, everyone, as they move to a finish. The flame of peace and harmony is now lit, and may this light glow to remove darkness in the lives of all, to brighten up our future. Loud cheers, everyone.
ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಾಲಮಾನವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗುತ್ತಿರುವಂತಹ ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅಭಿವಂದನೆಯನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು.
Next, we have our oath-taking ceremony. It is a moment to reaffirm our commitment to integrity, respect, and fair play. As the participants pledge to uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship, let this serve as a reminder that competition is not just about winning, but about participating with honor, grace, and dignity. Leading this inspiring moment is Master Pranav, our school captain, joined by the captains, vice captains, and cadets.
In the name of all participants, we promise that we shall all take part in the Sports Day of Devan National School, respecting and abiding by the rules that govern the events. In the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sport, we shall put forth our greatest effort to achieve the best result in games, in the honor of our houses and school. Jai Hind!
Now, the school flag and house flags will be placed on their poles, igniting the spirit of Sports Day.
It is time for the moment we have all been waiting for, the official declaration of the Sports Day Open. We request our esteemed President, Shri B.M. Devarajappa sir, to kindly do the honors. Let's make this moment grand with your cheers and applause. Please keep the applause going.
Good morning, everybody. I declare Devon National School 7th Annual Sports Meet open.
Thank you, sir. To mark this special occasion, the colorful balloons are raised up. Please keep the applause going. The colorful balloons rising high symbolize the soaring spirit, aspirations, and dreams of our students. What a wonderful moment to witness this. It is a reminder of the boundless energy and determination that sports day bring to our lives. Give your thunderous round of applause during this beautiful moment. And with this, the Sports Day 2024 of Devon National School is officially declared open. We request the dignitaries to kindly be seated on the dais to enjoy the program.
ಶರೀರಂ ಆದ್ಯಂ ಕಲು ಧರ್ಮ ಸಾಧನಂ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹವು ಆರೋಗ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿರಲು ವ್ಯಾಯಾಮ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪಾತ್ರ ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ದೇಹದ ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಚೈತನ್ಯವನ್ನು ಕೊಡುವ ವಿವಿಧ ಆಯಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ 8ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಕೋರೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸೋಣ.
Loud round of applause for our calisthenics performers. Grade 8. Well done.
Dance is the hidden language of the soul. We present an enchanting invocation dance by our talented students. This dance is a beautiful blend of tradition and creativity, offering a heartfelt tribute to our cultural heritage. Let us immerse ourselves in this serene and captivating performance that seeks blessings for the success of our event. Please welcome us going.
We request the parents to keep cheering the children because it will be a great motivation and encouragement for the children as they perform. Your support, encouragement mean a lot to our children. We have a beautiful kids going to perform a beautiful peacock dance blending with a classical fusion.
ವಿಘ್ನ ನಿವಾರಕ ಗಣಪತಿಯನ್ನು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ನೃತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ನೃತ್ಯ ತಂಡಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸೋಣ.
गजेशानाय फालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय फालचन्द्राय वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वातापि गणपतिं भजेऽहं वारणास्यं वारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवारणास्यं वरप्रदं श्रीवातापि गणपतिं ಕೇಶವ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ
हे केशव हे माधव हे गोविन्द रक्ष रक्ष पाहि पाहि परमानन्द
ನೋಡಲೆಂದು ಹೊಂಟನೋ ಕಪೀಶ ಕಲಿರು 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 ಎಂಬೋ ಗೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ನಾದದಲ್ಲಿ ಢಮರು 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 ಎಂಬೋ ಡೊಳ್ಳಿನ ಮೇಳದಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಮನ ಭಂಟ ಊರಿಗೆ ನೆಂಟ
ಸಾಗರ ಗುಂಡ ಲಂಕೆಗೆ ಹೊಂಟ
ಚೂಡಮಣಿಯ ನೀಡಿ ಬರೋಕೆ ಜಯ ಹನುಮ
ಜಯ ಹನುಮ
ಜಯ ಹನುಮ ತೊಳಿಸಿದ ಲಂಕೆ ದೊರೆಯ ಜನುಮ
ಮಹಾಜನುಮ
ಮಹಾಜನುಮ
ಜಯ ಗಣವ
ಜಯ ಗಣವ ಜಯ ಗಣವ
ಇಳಿಸಿದ ಅಸುರ ಪತಿಯ ಗರುವ ಮಹಾಗರುವ
ಮಹಾಗರುವ ಮರಬುಡದ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ
ಕಪಿರಾಯನಿವನ ಲೀಲೆ
ಹೊಂಗಾಳೆ ಮಾವು ಸೀಬೆ ಇವನ ಕೊರಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಲೆ
ಸರಿನಂದನ ಮಾರುತಿರಾಯ ವಾನರ ಯೋಧ ವಾಯುಪುತ್ರ ವಂಶಕಾಯ ದೀನ ಬಂಧುವೆ ಧೀರ ಜಯ ಹನುಮಾನ್
ರಾಮನಾಮ ಹಾಡಿರೋ ರಾಮ ಬರುವನು ಅವನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹನುಮನು ಯುದ್ಧ ಇರುವನು ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ವಿಶ್ವರೂಪಿ ವಿಶ್ವವ್ಯಾಪಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರನು ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾದರಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ವೇದ ವೇದಾಂತ ಓಂಕಾರ ರಾಮನಾಮ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚಾರ ಹಾಡೋ ಹಾಡೋ ಜೈಕಾರ ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ 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 ಜಯ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ ರಾಮ
ವಿಘ್ನ ನಿವಾರಕ ಗಣಪತಿಯನ್ನು ನೆನೆಯುತ್ತಾ ಮರ್ಯಾದಾ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನನ್ನು ಜಪಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಆರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಪಡಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನೃತ್ಯ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದವನ್ನು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಈ ನೃತ್ಯ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ತರಬೇತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿದಂತಹ ಶೇಖರ್ ಸರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಯಶೋಧಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಮಂಥನ ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನ ರಚಿಸಿದಂತಹ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಂದ್ರಕಾಂತ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
What a wonderful performance. Give them a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome each one of you to the 7th annual sports meet of Devin National School. On behalf of Devin community, I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Bharti BL, who has graciously joined us today to inspire and motivate our students. I also take this opportunity to welcome Shri B.M. Devrajappa, President Kaveri Social and Education Trust. Mrs. Indira, Secretary Kaveri Social and Education Trust. Ms. Shweta Vaishya, the Administrator. Mr. Rajesh Bella, Principal Kaveri B.Ed College. And Mr. Keshavan Bhatt, Academic Director, Devin Schools. We are especially delighted to welcome our parents, whose unwavering support and encouragement play a crucial role in the growth of our students. I also extend a warm welcome to our teachers, non-teaching staff, and undoubtedly our young athletes, the students who have worked tirelessly, spent hours in practice, and displayed exceptional dedication to reach this point. Your enthusiasm and determination inspire us all. Sports are not just about winning medals, they are about building character, fostering teamwork, and cultivating a spirit of perseverance. We learn resilience, discipline, and the importance of fair play, qualities that are essential not only in this field but in life as well. It's a day to celebrate not just the winners, but the spirit of participation, the courage to compete, and the drive to give your best. On this occasion, I would like to present the annual report for the academic year 2024-25 of Devin National School. As we reflect on the year that has passed, we are filled with a sense of pride in the achievements of our students, the dedication of our teachers, the support of the management and our parents. The academic year has been one of growth, learning, and success. Our school has continued to excel in providing education, that nurtures the intellectual, emotional, social, and physical development of every student. I'm delighted to highlight some of our most significant achievements. This year, we have been granted the CBSE affiliation to offer grades 11 and 12, marking a new chapter in our commitment to providing comprehensive education. To further enhance our academic offerings, we are proud to integrate the renowned BASE program into our science stream. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any good institution. Right from the beginning, DNS has nurtured a culture of hard work, never say never attitude, no giving up spirit among students, which has resulted in setting new targets. It's my privilege to enlist our achievement in the CBSE Board Examination 2024. In grade 10, 62 students appeared and all of them got through with flying colors. A total of 28 students achieved above 90%, with a highest score of 97.6% secured by Master Nishant, closely followed by Ms. Savani with 97.4%. We have 22 students scoring above 80% and 12 students scoring above 70%. Remarkably, no student scored below 70%, which is a testament to our collective hard work and commitment to excellence. The school has been honored with the prestigious FACT Award for Best Academics this year. This remarkable achievement highlights the school's excellence in the field of education. We have also launched new academic initiatives such as integrating technology into classrooms to enhance the learning experience. We are also prioritizing students who need additional support, ensuring that every student progresses and no one is left behind through remedial sessions. The school has initiated foundation courses for IITs and NEET, empowering our students to pursue higher education with confidence. We are in the process of implementing new education policy by introducing subjects like financial literacy, information technology, and computers from grade 6 onwards. We have implemented the holistic report card in accordance with CBSE guidelines in kindergarten. Our students have not only excelled academically, but have also demonstrated exceptional intellectual capabilities by excelling in inter-school competitions such as Olympiads, debates, and quizzes, winning accolades that bring pride to the school. In the field of sports, our school has firmly established itself as a powerhouse. In the month of August, we hosted an inter-school sports competition and has emerged as the overall champions. Our swimming, cricket, and football teams consistently dominate at district, state, and national level tournaments, bringing laurels to our institution. Sagnika, Sanvita, Adya, Anvita, Siri Preetham, and Imaya have won medals at national level and in CBSE national competition in swimming. Hita R, Janvi Ramesh, and Ishanvi Rajiv had won medals in the CBSE South Zone swimming competition. Yatat, Bhuvan, Pranav Madan, Shishir, Sagarika, Jyotsna, and Chushan had qualified for the national level football championship. What a great achievement! In the coming years, we aim to surpass our current achievements and remain steadfast in our commitment to excellence and progress for the school. In conclusion, I would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank the management, the parents, teachers, and the non-teaching staff for their valuable contributions in shaping the school in what it is today. Without your unconditional support and effort, our achievements would not have been possible. Today, as we witness our students showcase their talents, I encourage everyone to cheer for them wholeheartedly. Let's celebrate their dedication, hard work, and determination, which are truly commendable. Thank you.
The way one works determines the quality and quantity of rewards. With great pride and pleasure, we welcome our chief guest, Ms. Bharti BL Ma'am, Vice President of Karnataka Athletic Association, to Sports Day celebrations. We welcome you, ma'am. It's now time to honor our esteemed chief guest. We invite our esteemed Secretary, Srimati N.C. Indra ma'am. The cheer is not heard. Parents, please keep the applause going to witness this wonderful moment that we have our chief guest today. As a renowned athlete, coach and administrator, Ms. Bharati ma'am embodies the spirit of excellence and dedication that we strive to instill in our students. Born and raised in Bangalore, Ms. Bharati began her athletic journey under the guidance of her father, Coach B.T. Lakshman, at the tender age of 5. Her impressive career is marked by numerous national and international achievements, including representing India at the World Cross Country Championships in Italy, Holland, and Switzerland. Ms. Bharati's accolades include the prestigious Kempe Gowda Award, Rajyotsava Award, Krida Ratna Award, and Kalyanamma Award. Please join me in welcoming Ms. Bharati, an inspiration to all of us as our chief guest today. We request Ms. Bharti BL ma'am to address the gathering and share her words of inspiration and encouragement with us.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Good morning one and all. Good morning students. Good morning children. Okay, no breakfast in the morning. I would like to thank Dev Inn National School for having me invited for today's annual Sports Day event. It gives me immense pleasure, in fact, to be part of this occasion because this is the right place for me to address the right set of parents as well as to look at the young kids nourishing and participating in a right platform. I know the kids here sitting in front are eagerly waiting to perform yoga. I will not take much time, but in fact, I should be thanking Arun D'Souza, who was actually the guest here, and due to some reason, we had to, alternately, and I made it to this event. Today I'm wearing a blazer that has India on it, but it didn't happen overnight. My father being my coach, I didn't have any idea, but he had a plan, and he used to take me to Lal Bagh in a very young age, like 5-year-old, where I can see these kids sitting here. And I was forced to run from my house to Lal Bagh. And if you see this Dangal movie or Bagh Milka Bagh or even the Dhoni movie and all, I feel somebody has actually copied my life story. So that is how it was. And in fact, ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಳನ್ನ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟಾರ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬಾಯ್ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಈ ಥರ ವೆರಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್. ನನಗೆ ಲಂಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಗಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ, ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು, ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನಾದರೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ತಗೋತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಲಂಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿರಿಯಾನಿ, ಪೂರಿ, ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತ್ ತರೋರು. I had a very rough young school days. I was a backbencher. I was not a good student actually. I'm sorry to tell you this. But yes, punishment alla kodoru teacher. I never felt like a punishment because being in sports, something unknowingly what I learned was to take it sportively. And the punishment used to run in the ground. 7 round ಓಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡೋರು, ಕಾಪಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ನೆವರ್ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಳೋರು ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ನಾನು ನಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದರೆ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆ ಬಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋರು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರು, ಹುಡುಗನ ಥರನೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೂ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಸ್ಸಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ತಳ್ಳೋರು, ಮುಂದೆ ಹುಡುಗಿರು ಹತ್ತಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಫೆಲ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ಯಾಡ್ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಯಂಗ್ ಏಜ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂಥ ಒಂದು ಡೇಸು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಿನ್ನ ಫೋಟೋ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, ನೀನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ನೋ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಓಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋರು ಹೋಟೆಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಓ, ಯು ಲೈಕ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ? ವಾ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಓಡೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 40 years ಐವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಐಟಮ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ರೆಡಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾವೊಂದು ಇಡ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ 5:30 ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೋಡೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಕೊಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಪ ಒಂದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು, ನೀನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೇ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬರೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ 3 times ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಇನ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ರೈಲ್ವೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಬ್ TC ಆಗಿ. ಆದರೂ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಾಂಬೆಯಿಂದ U-turn ತಗೊಂಡು ಐ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ B. ನಾ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತು, ಐ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಮೆನಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, ದೇ ಆರ್ ಮೆನಿ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪೈರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ B. ಇಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ದ ವೇ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್ ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ, I am the best example. Education for sure will hold your hand at any point of time. ನನಗೆ ರೈಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೂ ಕೂಡ I started joining corporate. I worked in Dell, I worked in Tesco, and I also promote athletics. I do multitasking. It's only because education and travel that helped me. I feel very humble and very happy to address so many parents. Ishtond jana parents on a Friday working day bandirode on doddu vichara. And thanks to all of you for making it today for this sports day. And ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ this is the right age for primary kids. Please, ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ದ ನೂನ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ದೇರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಈ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಲಂಚ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಟ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್. ನೀವೇ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಪ್ಪು ದಾರಿಗೆ ತಳ್ಳಬೇಡಿ. ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಆರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಎಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ is with how many of you wish your teachers when you see them in the corridor or somewhere, anywhere in the day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you wish them? ನಾನು ಈಚೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಂದರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಯ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ನೋ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡೌನ್. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೂ ಆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವಿಶ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ವೆರ್ ಎವರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಅನ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾ ಕೋಚ್ ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ. Even parents today, they start blaming and not think about accepting the fact of failure if something does not work. So here what I want to try is believe in yourself, maklige, and parents ige believe in the coaches and believe in system, believe in teachers. ಅವರಿಗೊಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ಏನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ failure in a very sporty way, and things will all fall in place. With that note, I would like to thank once again one and all the very best to each and everyone present here, and thanks Devin National School for having me invited. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that inspiring words and valuable insights. You're truly an epitome of strength and hard work.
ಕಠಿಣ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮ ಸಂಕಲ್ಪ ಬಲದಿಂದ ಮುನ್ನುಗ್ಗಿ ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಹಿತನುಡಿಯನ್ನು ಆಡಿದಂತಹ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಭಾರತಿ BL ಮೇಡಮ್ ರವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ತಿಳಿಸೋಣ.
Next, it is time to acknowledge and celebrate the great achievements of these talented achievers in the field of sports who have made the school proud on so many levels. As their names are announced, we invite them on stage to receive their well-deserved recognition. We request our Chief Guest Ms. Bharati BL to felicitate our outstanding achievers. First, we are proud to call our national level swimming champions, Sagnika K of grade 4, Sanvita R of grade 4, another national level swimming star, Adya Kamath, also from grade 4, competing proudly at the CBSE national level in swimming. Anvita R of grade 5, a champion who has proven that with focus and determination, success follows. Here comes Siri Preetham of grade 7, whose unwavering spirit in swimming has earned her accolades at the CBSE national level. Now we have Imaya H of grade 6 for her remarkable achievement in the national level swimming. It's time to introduce our exceptional national level football players. First, let's give a big cheer for Yatharth H from grade 8, who has proudly participated in the national level football team. Next, let's celebrate Bhuvan P from grade 9, who has brilliantly showcased his talent on the national level football team. Moving on, let's applaud Pranav Madan from grade 9, who has skillfully demonstrated his talent at the national level in football. Following that, we have Shishir D from grade 8, who has made us proud with his outstanding performance in the national level football team. Join us in applauding Sagarika R from grade 8, who has made a mark with a stellar performance in the national level football team. Let's give a rousing cheer for Jyotsna Karthik from grade 8, who was impressive talent has shown brightly in the national level football team. Finally, we are immensely proud of Chushan Tejas of grade 6 for winning at the national level in swimming. Congratulations to all the champions. Thank you, ma'am.
Behold the grace of young minds and bodies in motion. A graceful and poised performance on Sri Hari Stotram displaying hearts filled with devotion from Prep 2 to grade 3. They stretch and align, each pose a prayer, each movement divine. Let us applaud their effort, their dedication so true as they bring divine blessings to you. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to behold an extraordinary yoga display.
जगद्बिम्बलेशं हृदाकाशदेशं सदा दिव्यदेहं विमुक्ताखिलेहं सुवैकुण्ठगेहं भजेहं भजेहम् सुरारी बलिष्ठं त्रिलोकी वरिष्ठं गुरूणां गरिष्ठं स्वरूपैकनिष्ठं सदा युद्धधीरं महावीरधीरं भवाम्बोधिधीरं भजेहं भजेहम् रमावामभागं तलानग्ननागं कृताधीनयागं गदारागनागं मुनीन्द्रैः सुहीतं सुरैः सम्परीतं गुणौघैरतीतं भजेहं भजेहम् जगज्जालपालं गजकण्ठमालं शरच्चन्द्रबालं महादैत्यकालं नभो नीलकायं दुरावारमायं सुपद्मासहायं भजेहं भजेहम् सदाम्बोधिवासं गलत्पुष्पहासं जगत्सन्निवासं शताधिपं
Parents, we need to hear more claps and cheers for these wonderful performers. As we move on to the next performance, well done students. Wonderful and lively performance. Please give your big applause and cheer to this wonderful little heart who's been showing so much grace and dedication to this yoga performance, which is not at all an easy thing to do in their tender age. We request parents to kindly give a big round of applause and cheer for these beautiful students. Let's clap along, parents.
I got a ponytail, I got a ponytail, I got a ponytail, I got a ponytail.
and everyone's day. Let's show our appreciation with another hearty round of applause.
What's going on?
Lalita Shloka Charchika, Ditvi BS. All the best. Do well. Cheer them on, parents. Your applause is motivation. Well done, well done. Let's cheer them. Keep the applause going, parents. Well done. Wonderful children. Keep the applause going. Dear parents, please cheer them up. Keep the applause going. Please cheer them up. ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳು. We are so glad to have
It gives me great pleasure to introduce a delightful performance by our grade 2 students. Second place goes to Rahitya M. Nayak. Third place goes to Babi Reji Lalita Sloga.
Madam.
To join along the cheer, we have our magical guests from Disneyland, Donald Duck, to cheer the children. Please give them a huge round of applause. This is such a wonderful moment where our children have bagged excellent prizes in the event that happened now.
Okay, ready, look here.
Oh, we have our Mickey Mouse as well to cheer our little superstars.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Next we have, among boys we have winners. The first place goes to Anush Gowda S. Patil. Second place goes to Brishang H. Dodmane. Third place goes to Vedansh Anup Shetty. Please give them a big round of applause.
Congratulations, winners.
For your kind attention, dear parents, you are requested to kindly be seated till the event gets over for the seamless event happening now.
Okay, ready, close. Okay, ready? Ready to look you? Smile.
Give it up to the winners.
Okay, ma'am, look you. Thank you.
Next, we have Prep 1 winners for collecting the balls. Boys, first place goes to Tashvik Dinesh. Second place goes to Vedant K. Third place goes to Ruchit Gowda. Give them a big round of applause.
Grade 1 event finalists, be ready. A gentle reminder to the parents to not step onto the field. Kindly be seated. We will be having the grade 1 event after the prize distribution.
Okay, ma'am, close. Okay, ready to look you? Thank you.
Next, we have winners of obstacle race from Prep 2. First place goes to Ruthvi Beers. Second place goes to Karnika Gowda R. Third place goes to Manushi Rishabh Shah. Give them a big round of applause.
ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಗಳ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಈ ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಯನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ.
Next, we have Rajesh Ramshar. First place goes to Rajesh Ramshar. Second place goes to Kush Maheshwari. Third place goes to Jayant Yan from Prep 2. Give them a big round of applause.
Dear parents, kindly be seated. We request your cooperation and support for a seamless functioning of the event. Please do not pick your child until the event gets over. Your support and coordination mean a lot to us. Thank you.
ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಶಾಂತಚಿತ್ತರಾಗಿ ಕುಳಿತು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಂತಿಮ ಘಟ್ಟದವರೆಗೂ ಕುಳಿತು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಕಳಿಯ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ.
A hearty welcome to Mr. Siddeshwar Sir, Principal of Base PU College. We request our Academic Director Sir.
Athletes are all set to dash their way into our hearts and across the finish line. We will first have the girls' event. Come on, parents. Well done. Let's cheer for them, parents. Well done, boys.
Hello, madam. Hello, madam.
Well done, girls. Let's cheer loudly for our grade 2 participants as they embark on this thrilling adventure. Give them a big round of applause and encourage them as they race towards the finish line with all their might. Cheer them up! Keep your applause going, dear parents. Their energy and strength are truly inspiring. What a wonderful moment it is. Next up, our boys. Keep your cheer going, parents. What an energy, what a spirit. Wow, that was so incredible to witness our children doing with all their energy. Excellent students, we are so moved by your strength. Words of wisdom with us today. Let's welcome our President Sir with a huge round of applause.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ದಿನದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾದ ಭಾರತಿಯವರೇ, ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಯವರಾದ ಇಂದಿರಾ ಅವರೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿನ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿವರಾಮ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟರೆ, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಭಟ್ರೆ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟರ್, ನಮ್ಮ BEd ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಬೇಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇವಿನ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರೇ, ಪುಟಾಣಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ನೆಚ್ಚಿನ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ನೌಕರರೇ, ನಾವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಪೋಷಕರು ಅವರವರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ವಿವಿಧ ಸಂದರ್ಭಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಶಟಲ್ ಕಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೀಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲೂ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಸಹ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕೋಚಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಸುಮಾರು 5-6 ಜನ PT ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಅವರು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ದೈಹಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಫಿಟ್, ದೆನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಫಿಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಮೋಟೋ ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಬರೀ ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಫಿಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವರ್ಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ದಿನ ಅವರು ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಫಿಸಿಕಲಿ ಸಹ ದೇ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್. ಹಾಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸುಮಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿ 30-31 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸು, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, ಅನೇಕರು ಈಗ ಹೊರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಅರಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಆದರೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರಣಗಳಿಂದ ಅವರವರ ಅನುಕೂಲಕ್ಕೆ ತಕ್ಕನಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಹೊರದೇಶಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲಿಂದನೂ ಈ 30 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೂ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಪೂಲು, ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಕಾಕ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್, ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡು, ಇಂಡೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಮ್ಮು, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಟದ ಮೈದಾನ, ಬಾಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಬಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿನ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಹಕರಿಸಿದಂಥ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಸದುಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಮತ್ತು PT ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಅವರು ಸಹ ತುಂಬ ಶ್ರಮವಹಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದು ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅವರು ಕೋಆಪರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅವರು ಸಹ ಸಹಕರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲರ ಅನುಕೂಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಸ್ತಾ, ಈ ಥರ ತಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.
ಅಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನೇ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬಹುದು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಹಿತನುಡಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತೇಜಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ದೇವರಾಜಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದಂತಹ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
We are thrilled to announce the much anticipated prize distribution for our exceptional students from grade 1, 2 and 3 on this exciting sports day. First we have Pihu Madan, Rishika Rampur and Gokula Vaishnika from grade 1. Congratulations winners.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಕಮ್ ಸರ್ 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 ಕಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ರೆಡಿ? ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Next we have winners from grade 1, Devansh Atluru, Trilok Baret, Prajit M.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Cheer them with big round of applause, parents.
ಜೋರಾದಂತಹ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾವಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹುರಿದುಂಬಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿ ವಿನಂತಿ.
Next we have winners from grade 2 for the obstacle race. First place goes to Ishani Katta. Second place goes to Ganasri Modupalli. Third place goes to Chinmayi Sohani. Congratulations winners.
ರೆಡಿ ರೆಡಿ?
Next we are having winners from grade 2 of obstacle race. First place goes to Virat G. Second place goes to Pratyush CP. Third place goes to Srujal Singham Sethi. Congratulations winners.
Let's cheer for the winners.
ರೆಡಿ 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 ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಮಗುವೊಂದು ಸಾಧನೆಗೈದರೆ ಅದು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಯ ಸಾಧನೆಯಿಂದ ಪೋಷಕರು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಜನಮಾನಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಜರಾಮರವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ.
Grade 3 girls winners, first place Blue House, Purvi, Rebecca, Chitrita and Lakshya. Second place goes to Maroon House, Ridhanya, Amulya, Deborah and Manvi Aital.
ready, look here. Ready, look here. Thank you.
To our sports department, we appreciate your hard work in organizing and conducting the event smoothly. Your attention to detail and commitment to excellence have ensured a memorable experience for all participants. To our art department, we thank you for your creative contributions, including the selfie corners, banners, posters and decorations that have added a vibrant touch to our sports day. To our computer department, we appreciate your technical expertise in ensuring seamless scorekeeping, live updates and visual presentation. To our housekeeping staff, we thank you for ensuring grounds and facilities were in top condition. To our student participants and volunteers, we commend your energy, teamwork and spirit. Your contributions have been invaluable. Your display of sportsmanship, teamwork and determination has made this sports day truly unforgettable. To our event photographers and videographers, we appreciate your efforts in capturing the excitement and joy of this special day. Thank you all once again for your collective efforts, cooperation and enthusiasm. I request everyone to kindly raise for national anthem. I request everyone to kindly raise for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता।